Hello guys, welcome back again to YvonneLove Family channel. How you all doing? Hope you all having a good time. Yeah, so today we're coming with another episode of making kids hair. So the last time I did how to make braids on YvonneLove hair. So today I'm going to be making just a normal weaving style for kids. So I'm going to be doing it with my little girl here. Divine, say hello to the fans. Talk louder. Hello. Yeah, she's always shy. So guys, we're going to be doing with the wool. So this I got from online in Amazon, so you can get yours wherever that's convenient for you. So it's wool and it's really nice for making weaving or braids or stuff like that. So this is how it looks. So we're going to be losing it and like rolling. So you're gonna see how I make mine. I guess everyone have their styles on how they make theirs. So this is my own style. This is how I know to do it best. So guys, come and let's do the process together. So let's start. First, I'm going to be rolling this. I don't have anyone at home to help me yet, so I'm rolling it on my legs just to have the desired length that I want. And so we roll it until it's done. So I'm gonna use like 3 or 4 packs to make this weaving. And at the end, I'm gonna be adding beads. Yeah, these are beads that you can put on the weavings. So this I get also on Amazon. It's really nice when you make the weavings and you have this at the edge of the braid. It's really, really beautiful for kids. So this is what I'm going to be using for you, girl. Yeah, so much. Yeah, so come with us as we make the process together. So guys, on our last video I talked about our membership platform. If you haven't joined our membership, please try and join our membership so you can have you can be the first to get our videos before it gets to the public, and there's more access to a lot of stuff when you're in the membership platform. So check it out. Just click on YvonneLove Family channel and click on that button where you see join, and it takes you direct. We have 3 membership types, so you can go for a smaller amount, middle, and the last one, and the one that's convenient for you. So thank you. So guys, we're gonna start. So I'm gonna cut this. So I don't want the weavings to be very long, so I'm going to cut this into sections again. Yeah. So guys, I'm not a professional hair braider, so bear with me. So I've got into smaller parts, so I'm going to use this on her hair. So come with me as we make the tutorial together. So guys, we're gonna start. So first I'm gonna cut this hair into 4 parts because I'm going to be making like all the hairs going up and having the braids at the edge. So I'm gonna cut it into 4 parts, like make the weavings all this way and from the back up to meet up with the ones at the front, so it's gonna come like all together. If you're a Nigerian, I guess you're gonna know the name, what it's called. In my country, it's called okuku. So if you know what I'm talking about, leave it in the comment section. So it's called like pack all together like that. So this is how we do it. I'm going to cut this into 4 sections. Yeah. So wind up. Cut the hair into 4 sections. So I'm going to hold this one first, which I'm going to be doing later, and have another band on this one. So I'm going to be starting with this one at the front, this part, and I'm going to be adding my oil, which I told you guys at the last video of making braids that I got this oil from a pharmacy apotheke. Here, that's where I got it. So it's just hair care oil that is really good for dried skin or dried hair. So my kids, they have dried hair, which this is really good treatment that I use on that. So here, so I'm going to be adding it on the hair, putting it on the parts. Yeah, just like this, and I'm going to be making this one like this. Yeah. As I said once again, I'm not a professional hair braider. I'm just still coming up. Yeah, so we have weaving like this. So leave it in the comment section, guys, if you make your kids' hair at home. Here in Europe is really economic making your kids' hair, because going to the salon to make the hair costs a fortune, especially for we that have 3 girls, you know, it costs a fortune. And it's more easy, more convenient. You're being at home and just chilling and making the hair. When the kids are tired, they can go have a snack or rest, or you can do other stuff too. So it's really recommended as a woman to know how to make your kids' hair. It's more economic for your purse, and it makes you to learn, you know. Makes you to learn to be doing something, you get. on it. So you're just gonna put it in here. Voila, as the French people say. And tie this part at the edge and tie it tight. Yeah, make sure the bead doesn't go off from where you just tied, so it stays, right? Yeah, so we're done with it. So I'm just gonna cut this part off. Yeah, and here we have it. Yeah, sometimes I do like burn the edge with the lighter so it doesn't lose later. Yeah, so that is it. So we have the first weaving. Let's show them. We have the first weaving, and here it is. I don't want it to be too long because they just started school and I don't want dragging the hairs all the way around. So we're going to the next one. So stay tuned, guys, as we do this together. Now we're going to be making the back part of the hair. So we're gonna start and do behind. I have to stand up so my little girl can be comfortable. Yeah, so I've parted the hair, so I'm just gonna put it all over it and just weave like this. Are you okay, Divine? Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna be done soonest. Yeah, we are almost. Put some packers on the hair. So turn around, show them your hair, smile. You're tired, I know. So turn around, yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna put some packers. Oh, you like these colors? Yeah, okay, let me put these on the hair. Yeah, turn this way. Yeah, I guess they're a little bit small. Let me try. Yeah, so turn this way. Oh, they're small. Let me try this one. This one is a little bit bigger. So guys, leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think about this that I did. So this is what I've made, and this is how it turns out to be. Yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Peace. We love you. Say bye to the fans. Say bye. Shimmy shy. Bye guys.